Tripathi sir, respected guest of honor, DPO NSS Ganjam, Dr. Swarnalata Patnaik, ma'am, Honorable Chief Speaker, Professor Dr. Captain Gagan Bihari Behera, MD General Medicine and retired professor of MKCG College Berhampur, esteemed principal of our college, Sri Ganeshwar Majhi sir, senior faculties, Dr. K. Om Narayan Rao and Dr. Saraj Kumar Chenna, other I, Dr. Lina Limon, HOD, Department of English, and NSS officer of the college, extend a hearty welcome to you all to today's webinar. We all know the quantum of havoc and threat that coronavirus has created in our lives. So, in order to keep ourselves and our society safe, it is important that we remain aware and take precautionary measures at this juncture to protect ourselves from the deadly virus. Today, I'm extremely glad that NSS unit of our college has organized a webinar on COVID-19 second wave. Nathaniel Braden once said, the first step towards change is awareness. The second step is acceptance. Therefore, today's webinar has been organized to bring that change through awareness for the sole benefit of our staff, students, and people closely associated with us. So let's begin today's webinar with a welcome address by our esteemed principal, Sri Ganeshwar Majhi sir, a man who stands as a pillar of support and strength for us. So please.
धन्यवाद मैडम आज वेबिनार मुख्य अतिथि रूपे आम गहन उपस्थित थिबा सम्माननीय उच्च शिक्षा विभाग आंचलिक निर्देशक डॉक्टर लक्ष्मीकांत त्रिपाठी महोदय, जातीय सेवा योजना गंजाम जिलार प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर डॉक्टर स्वर्णलता पटनायक महोदय, मुख्य वक्ता सम्माननीय प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर गगन बिहारी बेहरा महोदय, आमर गवर्निंग बॉडी प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर विजय कुमार महांती महोदय, मोर सहकर्मी वृंद, उपस्थित थिबा अन्यान्य सुधी सज्जन मंडली, प्रमोद सर तथा मोर श्रद्धेय छात्री वृंद, आपण समस्त को मु आज वेबिनार को आज कार्यक्रम को स्वागत करुछि। आपण माने जानी थिबे समग्र विश्व आज एक महामारी रे कबलित, कौनसी राष्ट्र ए महामारी कबलरू मुक्ति जाई नाही। एई महामारी उपरे आज आमर एई आलोचना चक्र आमे आज आलोचना करिबा। आम गहन रे उपस्थित थिबा विज्ञ मंडली ए विषय रे विशद भाव रे आलोचना करिवे। मो साम्यक भाव रे स्वागत भाषण अवसर रे किंचित धारणा दे मोर वक्तव्य शेष करिबी। सर्वप्रथमे एई भाइरस विषय रे भाइरस रो उत्पत्ति जहाँ समस्त जानी छंती, जहाँ डिसेंबर 2019 मसीहा चीन रो वुहान प्रदेश रो आरंभ होइतिला एवं मार्च 2020 मसीहा बेलकु समग्र विश्वर 190 देश को संपूर्ण भाव में कबलित कर देइथिला। एवं आम भारत कथा जदि देखिबा तेबे 22 जनवरी 2020 मसीहा रे प्रथम केरल रे एक 20 वर्षर झियो देह रे एई भूताणु चिन्हट होइतिला एवं सेही परठारु एई भूताणु तार काया मेलेई भारत को अभूतपूर्व क्षति साधन करिछि। एवं ए पर्यंत जदि आमे देखिबा भारत रे प्राय 2 कोटी 90 लाख लोक एई भूताणु रे आक्रांत होइछन्ति एवं भारत रे प्राय 3,50,000 लोक इथिरे मृत्युवरण करिछन्ति। सेही भली भाबरे ओडिसा कथा जदि आमे चिंता करिबा आज पर्यंत 8,25,000 लोक एही भूताणुर द्वारा आक्रांत होइछन्ति एवं सेमानक मध्यरु प्राय 3,080 जनकर दुःखद मृत्यु घटिछि। एक साम्यक सूचना एक स्टैटिस्टिक्स एही भूताणु आमर सामग्रिक भावरे आमर जनजीवन को पूरा विशृंखलित कर देइछि। आम जनजीवन या द्वारा प्रभावित होइछि। समस्त व्यवस्था शिक्षा व्यवस्था स्वास्थ्य व्यवस्था समग्र व्यवस्था यही भूताणु द्वारा प्रभावित होई आम एक विषम परिस्थिति गति करुचे तेणु एभली एक विषम परिस्थिति रे पिलामाने आम गहन थिबा आमर छात्री माने एई भूताणु विषय रे अधिक किसी ज्ञान अर्जन करिवे ताहा द्वारा आमे किभली भाबरे ए भूताणु कबलरू निजକୁ रक्षा करबा सहित आमे समाजर वार्तावाहक हवा आम चतुर्पार्श्व थिबा परिवेष्टिनी को आमे बा आम चतुर्पार्श्व थिबा लोक मानक आमे ए विषय रे सजाग करि परिबा एवं ଏହା ହିଁ ଆଜିର ଏଇ ୱେବିନାର ଆଲୋଚନା ଚକ୍ରର ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବିଷୟ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ସାମ୍ୟକ ସୂଚନା ସହିତ ମୋର ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶେଷ କରିବି ଆମ ଗହଣରେ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ଥିବା ସମସ୍ତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ପୁଣି ଥରେ ପ୍ରଣାମ ସହିତ ଆଜିର এই କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମକୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ କରୁଛି ଏବଂ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ এই କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମର ଆଗାମୀ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟଧାରାକୁ ଆଗେଇ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ संयोजिका महोदय को अनुरोध करुची डॉक्टर लीना मैडम आपण नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम को जानतु
somehow RD sir has lost connectivity. He is not there.
sir सुनी पारुचंती
Sir is not there.
मु सुनी पारुची
हां सर सुबिला सर हां सर
हां ठीक है
अच्छा सर
मो वीडियो भी ऑन अछि
सर हां ठीक अछि लीना मैडम नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम जा आपण को सुनी पारनु लीना मैडम आपण ऑडिबल हो नांती
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful welcome address and for briefing us about how COVID-19 initially started. Today, we are extremely glad to have amidst us Dr. Lakshmikant Tripathi, RD Barampur, who despite his busy schedule has given his kind consent to be the chief guest of our today's webinar. He has always been a great support, and under his flagship of guidance, our educational odyssey has been smooth even through storms. His pleasant demeanor, constant support, and relentless effort has encouraged us to excel in our fields. Now may I request our chief guest, Dr. Lakshmikant Tripathi sir, to kindly address us with his precious words. So please.
Thank you, madam. A very good morning to one and all present here. Respected principal sir, Ganeshwar Majhi babu, amar ajir chief speaker achindi Dr. Captain Gagan Bihari Behera Mauda, guest of honor Dr. Sonalata Patnaik madam, जे कि हमर DPO achindi Ganjam district ro, PO Niranjan Maska Women's College ro madam Lina Linial madam, Dr. K. Om Narayan Rao babu, Dr. Saroj Kumar Jana babu, समस्त invited guests, my dear students, particularly NSS volunteers, ladies and gentlemen. मु सर्वप्रथम हमर आस्का साइंस कॉलेज रो प्रिंसिपल तथा मैडम पीओ मैडम को धन्यवाद देबी मते ए वेबिनार इनवाइट करथिबारु आमे बहुत वर्तमान करि सारलोनी जो गंजाम डिस्ट्रिक्ट हमर तीनटा जग डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे पारा बहुत चली छी ए अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम रे आर मेन अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम रो मेन एम टा होची आमे जो एनएसएस वॉलंटियर्स मान अछंती एवं हमरो जो निजरो क्लोज लोक समान अछन ताको गोटे इक्विप करबा गोटे फर्स्ट एंड नॉलेज हाउ टू मैनेज द कोरोना दिस कोरोना वायरस सेति पई आमे समस्त फर्स्ट इक्विप फर्स्ट एंड नॉलेज रे इक्विप करिया पई अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम एक्चुअली करा जाय आपण मान जानि थिबे एटा किछि नोआ नुए हमर एक्चुअली जो प्रत्येक 100 वर्ष रे तरे एमिति गोटे गोटे एपिडेमिक आसुची जोटे पेंडेमिक टा आसुची 1720 मसिया हमर ग्रेट प्लेग हेतिला लाख लाख लोक मरिथिले 1870 तापरे कलेरा पेंडेमिक हेतिला सेठी बहुत लोक मरिथिले 1918 मसिया रे फेरी स्पेनिश फ्लू हेतिला सेठी भी हमर बहुत माने मिलियंस ऑफ लोक मरिथिले तापरे वर्तमान हमको आसीची हमर कोविड-19 वर्तमान 220 देश को एटा स्प्रेड करि सल्लानी एवं या हजार हजार लोक माने टिल टुडे मोस्ट वेल 30 लाख लोक मरि सरलेनी आ भीतर କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ ଆମର ଏଇ କରୋନା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ एक्चुअली କଣ ହେଲା ଯେ ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ଲୋକକୁ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ କଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଏକ୍ଟିଭ ଷ୍ଟେପ ନେଇକି ଚେନ୍ ବ୍ରେକ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଲକଡାଉନ ସବୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେଲେ। ଲକଡାଉନ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରି ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ମେଡିକାଲ ଇନଫ୍ରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ବଢେଇବାକୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲେ ଏବଂ ତାପରେ ଇଏ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରେସିଂ ଏ ସବୁ କରିକି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ଟାକୁ ଯେମିତି ସେମିତି କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରାଗଲା। ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ଲକଡାଉନ ସରିଲା ଜୁଲାଇ ମାସରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଖୋଲା ହେଲା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ପରେ ସଡନଲି ଫେରେ ଲୋକ ଫେରେ ବେପାର ହେଇଗଲେ ଫେରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଏଇ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ଆହୁରି କରୋନା ବଢିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲା। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଲକଡାଉନ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ଟା ଆମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ସୁନାମି ଟାଇପ ର ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲା। କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଇଟା ଏତେ କ୍ୱିକଲି ଏପ୍ରିଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଜଣା ନଥିଲା। ଆମର ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ରରେ ଫେବୃଆରୀ 11ରେ ଦେଖା ଦେଇଥିଲା ଡେଲ୍ଟା ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉଟା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ସେଠି ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ। ତାପରେ ପରେ 1.5 ମାସ 2 ମାସ କୋଉଠି ଅଳ୍ପ ଟିକେ ହଉଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ପରେ ପୁରା ଦେଶରେ ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ କରିଗଲା। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ତାପରେ ୟୁପି ଏବଂ ପୁରା ଦେଶକୁ ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ କରିଗଲା। ଏଇଟା କଣ ପାଇଁ ଆମର ବହୁତ ରିଜନ ବି ଅଛି। କାହିଁକି ନା ଆମର ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ବି ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମର ପଡୋଶୀ ରାଜ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ ମ୍ୟାଚ କ୍ରିକେଟ ମ୍ୟାଚ ହେଇଥିଲା ଛତିଶଗଡ ଏମିତି ସବୁ ଆମର ବହୁତ ବି ଅଛି। ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆମର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି କୁମ୍ଭ ମେଳା ହେଇଥିଲା ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଆସି ପୁରା ସବୁଆଡେ ପ୍ରାୟ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ସବୁ ସାଇଡରୁ ଲୋକ ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ଏମିତି ହେଇକି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ ଟା ବହୁତ ସ୍ପ୍ରେଡ କରିଗଲା ଏବଂ ଏଇଟା ବହୁତ ସାଂଘାତିକ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ଟା କରିଥିଲା। କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଇଟା ଯୋଉ ଡେଲ୍ଟା ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ କି ଆଲଫା ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଯୋଉ ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ ଯାକ ସେମାନେ ଏତେ ପ୍ରକାର ମ୍ୟୁଟେସନ କରନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟାକୁ ଡିଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ବହୁତ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା କଣ୍ଟେନ୍ କରିବା। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପେଣ୍ଡେମିକ ଯୋଉ ହେଲା ଏଥିରେ ଆମର ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ଲେଭେଲ ପ୍ରାୟ ଲୋକଙ୍କର କମେଇବାକୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଗଲା ଅଧିକାଂଶ। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ଆମର ସିନିୟର ସିଟିଜେନ ମାନେ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ବେଳକୁ ସିନିୟର ସିଟିଜେନଙ୍କର ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ଟା କମିଗଲା କାହିଁକି ନା ସେମାନେ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ଆମର ବହୁତ ୟଙ୍ଗ ମାସ ମରିବା ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଥିଲେ। ବହୁତ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ ବହୁତ ୟଙ୍ଗ ପିପଲ ମରିଯାଇଥିଲେ। କାହିଁକି ନା ସେମାନେ ଜାଣି ପାରୁନଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ହାଇପକ୍ସିଆ ଟାଇପ ର ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଥିଲା। ଅକ୍ସିଜେନ ଲେଭେଲ ଟା କମି ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ଜାଣି ପାରୁନଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କେ ସେମିତି ନର୍ମାଲ ରୁଟିନ ତାଙ୍କର କାମ ସବୁ ଚାଲୁଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସଡନ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଜାଣିଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଟାଇମ ଡେରି ହେଇଥିଲା। ସେମାନେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲାଇଜେସନ ମେଡିକେସନ ସବୁ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଲା ଏବଂ ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ବି ଆମର ବହୁତ ୟଙ୍ଗ ମାସ ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ମରି ବି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। କିନ୍ତୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଠି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଏତେ ଆମର ଏ କରୋନା ଟା ଏତେ ସ୍ୱାଭିମାନୀ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ଜେନେରାଲି ସିଏ ନ ଡାକିଲେ କାହା ଘରକୁ ଯାଏନି। ଆପଣ ଏତେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମ ନିଜେ ହିଁ ରେସପନସିବୁଲ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଯେ କରୋନାକୁ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରି ଘରକୁ ଡାକୁଛେ ଆସ ଘରକୁ ଆସ ଆମକୁ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ କର। ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ଦେଖୁଛେ ଏବେ ଚେନ୍ ଟା ବ୍ରେକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲକଡାଉନ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲା ଚେନ୍ କ୍ୱିକଲି ବ୍ରେକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସଡନଲି ଫଲ୍ କରିଗଲା ଏଫେକ୍ଟ କରିବାଟା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫେରି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ଆଉ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ଏବେ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ଲକଡାଉନ ଖୋଲିଲା ପରେ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ପ୍ରାୟ ଦେଖିବେ ସବୁଆଡେ ଲୋକ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଗଲେ। ଆମର ମାସ୍କିଂ ବି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ କରିଲେ ମାସ୍କ ନ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ବେପାର ମନୋବୃତ୍ତି ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲା। ଯୋଉଟା ପାଇଁ କି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ଆମେ ସଫର କରିଥିଲେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଲୋକ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ସେଇ ସଫର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆମର ଏଇଟା ମାନେ ନାହିଁ କି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ୱେଷ୍ଟର୍ଣ୍ଣ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ସବୁ ଲାଇକ ଯୋଉଟା କି ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଡେଭଲପ୍ଡ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ୟୁଏସଏ ଇଟାଲୀ ସବୁ ଆମର ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱେଭ୍ ରେ ବି ବହୁତ ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ। ସେମାନେ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ମେଡିକାଲ ଇଏରେ ସେମାନେ ସବୁଠୁ ଟପ ରେ ୟୁଏସ ଇଟାଲୀ ଏଇ ସବୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ସବୁ। କିନ୍ତୁ କରୋନା କାହାକୁ ଛାଡି ନଥିଲା କାହିଁକି ବିକଜ ଏଇଟା ଲୋକ ନିଜେ ଡାକି ଆଣିଥିଲେ କରୋନାକୁ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କସସ୍ ହେବେ ମତେ ଲାଗୁଛି ଆମର କରୋନା ଟା ବି ଆମ ଦେହକୁ ରହିବନି। ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ ଗୋଟେ ସାଉଥ ଆଫ୍ରିକା ଏବେ ପହର ଦିନ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ପଢିଥିଲି ଟାଇମ୍ସ ଅଫ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ଜୋହାନ୍ସବର୍ଗର ଗୋଟେ ଲେଡିର ଦେହରେ ଯିଏକି HIV ଏଫେକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ କୋରୋନାରେ ତାର 32 ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ 32ଟା ଭେରିଏଣ୍ଟ ତା ଦେହରେ ପାଇଲେ। ମାନେ ଏଇ କରୋନା ଟା ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ ଏତେ ଭେରିଏସନ ଦେଖଉଛି ଯୋଉଟା କି ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରିବା ବି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଉଛି। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର ମେନ୍ ଜିନିଷ ହଉଛି ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କରିବା। ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର୍ସ ମାନେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ପିଲା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାହାରିବେ ଆମର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ବି ମୁଁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିଛି ଡବଲ ମାସ୍କିଂ ଦରକାର ଆମକୁ। ଡବଲ ମାସ୍କିଂ ସୋସିଆଲ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଂ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ହାତ ଧୋଇବାଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ଖାଲିଟାରେ କୁହା ହଉନି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି। ଏଇଟା ଆମକୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ମାନିବା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା କରୋନା ଟା ବି ଯୋଉ ଥାର୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ଆସିବ ବୋଲୁଛି ଆମେ ଯଦି ଥାର୍ଡ ୱେଭ୍ ବି ଆସିବନି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ପ୍ରାୟ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ 40-50% ଖାଲି ମାସ୍କ ପିନ୍ଧୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇ 40-50% ରୁ 70% ଖାଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଥୋଡି ତଳକୁ ପିନ୍ଧୁଛନ୍ତି ମାସ୍କ ଟା। ଆଉ ବହୁତ କମ ଲୋକ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବା କଥା ନାକ ଏବଂ ପାଟି बहुत कम लोक जोटा 20-30% ही
Sir कହୁଛନ୍ତି,
प्रोटेक्ट
sir।
करी बोलुଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ଏଇଟା ପାଇଁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଜିନିଷଟା ହଉଛି ଯେ ଖରାପ ବେଡ୍ ନ୍ୟୁଜ ଯାକ ଯୋଉ ବାହା ଆସୁଛି କରୋନା ମିଟର ବୋଲି ଗୋଟେ ଆସୁଛି ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯୋଉ ଦେଖଉଛି ସେଇଟାକୁ ବି ଆପଣମାନେ ଟିକେ ଆଭଏଡ କରିବେ। ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ କରୋନା କମିଲାଣି ଫିନେରାଲ ଟା ବି ଦେଖଉଥିଲା ସବୁବେଳେ ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ପାଇପ ଲାଇନ ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଦାହ ଶବ ଦାହ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ବହୁତ ବିଚଳିତ ହେଇ ପଡୁଥିଲେ। ଅଧିକାଂଶ ଲୋକ ଡରିକିରି ବି ହାର୍ଟ ଆଟାକ ରେ ମରିଯାଉଥିଲେ। ଯୋଉମାନେ କରୋନା ହେଲା ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଗଲେ ଆମେ ଭାବିଲେ ଯେ ଆମେ ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଗଲୁ ମାନେ ଆମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ମରିବୁ ଏମିତିରେ ବି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ହାର୍ଟ ଆଟାକ ରେ ମରିଯାଉଥିଲେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୋର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନିବେଦନ ଯେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ସମସ୍ତେ ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାରଲି ୟଙ୍ଗ ମାସ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଘର ସାହି ପଡିଶା ଯୋଉମାନେ ବି କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି କଭର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯାଇକି ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଇଭେନ ଅର ଟେଲିଫୋନରେ କିମ୍ବା ସୋସିଆଲ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ମେଣ୍ଟେନ କରି ସେମାନେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ କେମିତି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଏଇ ଖବରଟା ପହଞ୍ଚିବେ। କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ନ୍ୟୁଜରେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁକୁ ଆମର ୟୁପିର ମାନେ କେତେଟା ଗାଁକୁ ସେମାନେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଲୋକ ସବୁ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେଲେ ଆମେ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କରିବୁନି କାହିଁକି ନା ଏଇ ଭ୍ୟାକ୍ସିନେସନ କଲା ମାନେ 6 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଆମେ ସବୁ ମରିଛୁ। ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଅପପ୍ରଚାର ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ କରାହେଇଛି। ଏଇ ଟାଇପ ର ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁରେ ଲୋକ କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରି ସବୁ ବିଲ ଜମି ଆଡକୁ ଦୌଡିକି ପଳେଇଲେ ମାନେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ଆମ ଅପପ୍ରଚାର ରହିଛି ଆମର ସୁପରଷ୍ଟିସନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଏଇ ସବୁକୁ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିଛି ଆମର ଏନଏସଏସ ଭଲେଣ୍ଟିୟର ମାନଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଲୋକଙ୍କ ମନରୁ ଦୂର କରିବି। ମୋର ଆଉ ବିଶେଷ କିଛି କହୁନି ବହୁତ କହିଦେଲି ଆଉ ମତେ କ୍ଷମା ଦେବେ କଣ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ବି କହିଛି ବହୁତ ଟାଇମ ବି ନେଇଗଲି ଲାଗୁଛି ମତେ ବହୁତ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି ଆମର ନିରଞ୍ଜନ ଆସ୍କା ଓମେନ୍ସ କଲେଜର ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମତେ ଏଇ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେଇଥିବାରୁ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ଭେରି ମଚ। ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ ଜନନୀ ଷ୍ଟେ ସେଫ୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words of encouragement and information. We are truly blessed with your presence. I'm sure our students will follow your thoughts and come to your platform. आपको जो message थिला double mask and avoiding corona meter, avoid rumors and superstitions, it will definitely be followed by us. Thank you once again. Today, we have a very dynamic and vibrant personality, Dr. Sonalata Patnaik, DPO, NSS Ganjam, as our guest of honor. The first time I interacted with her, I was amazed with her positivity and encouraging dynamism. I was glad when she gave her instant consent for this webinar as I communicated with her over phone. Though she has remained busy all through with lots of webinars, online classes, and other work assignments, yet she has been kind enough to join us in this webinar. So now may I request our guest of honor, Dr. Sonalata Patnaik ma'am, to kindly address us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak something. Respected RD Dr. Lakshmikant Tripathi sir, respected Principal Sri Ganeshwar Majhi sir, respected today's resource person Professor Gagan Bihari Behera sir, respected Program Officer Dr. Lina Lilian ma'am, respected Dr. K. Om Narayan Rao sir, Dr. Saroj Kumar Jena sir, respected other staff members of Niranjan Government Women's College, ASCA, and my dear student volunteers. समस्तଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ନମସ୍କାର ଏବଂ ଛୋଟ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା। ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ପ୍ରାୟ 1.5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲା এই कोरोना ମହାମାରୀରେ ପୀଡ଼ିତ ହୋଇ ଆସିଲେଣି। କୋଭିଡ-19 ର এই ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ଲହର ପ୍ରଥମ ଲହରର ଭୟାବହରୁ ଅଧିକ ସାବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ହେଲାଣି। ପ୍ରଥମେ ତ କେବଳ ଏହା ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ହୋଉଥିଲା। ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ଇମ୍ୟୁନିଟି ଟିକେ କମ ଥାଏ, ସେମାନେ ଅଦର ଡିଜିଜ ରେ ବି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପୀଡ଼ିତ ଥାନ୍ତି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବୟସ୍କ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ହେଉଥିଲା। କିନ୍ତୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଆର ମ୍ୟୁଟାଣ୍ଟ ଭେରାଇଟି ବି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମର ଯୁବପିଢ଼ିକୁ ଆସିଗଲାଣି। ଯୁବପିଢ଼ି ମାନେ ବହୁତ ସେଥିରେ ପୀଡ଼ିତ ହେଲେଣି। ଏହି ବିଶ୍ୱ ମହାମାରୀର ଘଡ଼ିସନ୍ଧି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ଆମ ଯୁବ ସମାଜ ଏହା ବିଷୟରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ମେନଲି ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡିଆ ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରୁଛନ୍ତି। କିନ୍ତୁ ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡିଆ କଣ ସବୁବେଳେ ଠିକ ଯାହା ତଥ୍ୟ ଆସୁଛି ଆମେ କଣ ସଠିକ ତଥ୍ୟ ପାଉଛେ? ଅଛି, ବହୁତ ସଠିକ ତଥ୍ୟ ବି ଅଛି, ବହୁତ ଭୁଲ ତଥ୍ୟ ବି ଆମେ ପାଉଛେ। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମ ଯୁବ ସମାଜ କେମିତି ସଠିକ ମାର୍ଗରେ ଯିବେ, ସଠିକ ତଥ୍ୟ ପାଇ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଅନୁକରଣ କରି ସଠିକ ମାର୍ଗରେ ଯିବେ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମ ଉଚ୍ଚ ଶିକ୍ଷା ବିଭାଗ, ଆମ एनएसएस प्लेटफॉर्म रे नहीं मेनली आम एनएसएस वॉलंटियर सह आम कॉलेज रो सबु स्टाफ आउ सबु स्टूडेंट माने जेमिति जने एक्सपर्ट थु जने मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट थु जने डॉक्टर थु डायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट रासी किछि सुनिबे किछि जानिबे आ सेमानकर थिबार अंधविश्वास सब किछि दूरेइबो सेति पई आम उच्च शिक्षा विभाग एही भली वेबिनार रो आयोजन करिसंती आ आमे समस्त भी आम आरडी सर तो बहुत सपोर्ट दउचंती उच्च शिक्षा विभाग तरफ जो एनएसएस प्लेटफॉर्म रे आउरी गोटे स्लोगन दिया हलानी मेक ए चेन टू ब्रेक दी इन्फेक्शन चेन आमे जदी इन्फेक्शन चेन को ब्रेक करियार अछि ताहाले हमकु गोटे चेन मेक करियार अछि आमे समस्त एनएसएस स्वेच्छासेवी टू आरंभ करिकि प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर प्रोग्राम कोऑर्डिनेटर हमर आरडी सा तापर हमर जो ऑफिशियल्स माने अछंती भुवनेश्वर रे सेमानक सह गोटे चेन मेक करिया ताहा सह आमे हमर मेडिकल एक्सपर्ट माने हमर जो माने हमकु गाइड करि पारे सेमानक सह मिलित होबा से चेन रे तांकु भी आनिबा आ आमे एमिति एक गोटे दृढ़ शृंखल बनै दबा जोथरे कि आमे कोरोना भाइरस को हरई पारिबा आ ए कोविड-19 महामारी रु जीति पारिबा सेमिति रे जो मेक ए चेन ब्रेक ए चेन स्लोगन दिया जाउची सेटा को सठिक भाबे आम पिलांक पाखरे पहुंचीबा को ही आज रो वेबिनार रो आयोजन करा हिची आदि तो जने प्रोफेसर अछंती आम संगरे रिसोर्स पर्सन भाबरे से निश्चय बहुत किछि कहिबे पिला माने तांको संगरे क्वेश्चन आंसर करी इंटरेक्शन रे भी आसीबे आउ हमर ए वेबिनार निश्चय फलप्रद हबो एतिकी म आशा करछि आउ एई वेबिनार आयोजन करथिबारु मु आस्का निरंजन गवर्नमेंट वोमेन्स कॉलेज आस्कार प्रिंसिपल पीओ एवं अन्य समस्त स्वेच्छासेवी टू आरंभ करी सब स्टाफ मेंबर्स को मु आउथरे अभिनंदन जनाउछि आ मते कहिबा को सुजोग दैछार मु धन्यवाद आमे केवल जो प्रिकॉशन इज बेटर देन क्योर कुहाउतुला पिला बळु आमे पाठ पढी आस्तिले वर्तमान आमे प्रिकॉश सेटा को कार्य रे लगेबार अछि आ सतर्क सचेतनता सतर्कता सावधानता ए तीनटा को मूल मंत्र करी आमे सतर्क रहिबा आमे सावधान रहिबा आ सचेतन रहिबा ए तीनटा को निजे सचेतन रहिबा निजे निरोगी रहिबा आ अन्य मानको सचेतन करी निरोग करबा एही मूल मंत्र ने आज ए वेबिनार आगे जाऊ एति ही शुभ कामना करछि थैंक यू जय हिंद जय एनएसएस
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. आपण बहुत सुंदर स्लोगन टी हमको देइछंती मेक अ चेन टू ब्रेक अ चेन आमे निश्चित से चेन ता आपण मानकर सहाय्य निश्चित आमे गठन करबा एवं ए कोविड-19 रो वायरस को आमे निश्चित हरेबा एवं आपण आ गोटे कथा कहले आमे तीनटा सरे आमे अक्षर तीनटा शब्द मन रखिबा सतर्क रहिबा सावधान रहिबा एवं सचेतन रहिबा थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम फॉर दिस वंडरफुल मैसेज
थैंक यू मैम
Now, let me take the pleasure of introducing the resource person of the day, Professor Dr. and Captain Gagan Bihari Behera, MD General Medicine and retired Professor of MKCG Medical College, Berhampur. Dr. Behera was born in Padmapur, Cuttack. He completed his pre-university and pre-professional studies in science stream from Ravinshaw University, Cuttack. Having attained his MBBS degree from SCB Medical College, Cuttack, in the year 1976, he did his PG in General Medicine from VSS Medical College, Burla, Odisha in 1989. Speaking about his professional experience, he has worked as Regiment Medical Officer in Army Medical Corps, Indian Army from the year 1978 to 1983, as Assistant Surgeon under Government of Odisha, Khurda in the year 1984, and as Senior Consultant Physician in Berhampur and Srikakulam from the year 1993 till present. He has a vast teaching experience of 36 years in different hospitals like GEMS and Hospital, KIMS, Bhubaneswar, NKCG Medical College, Berhampur, and VSS Medical College. He has many publications in the state and national journals on topics like resistant tuberculosis, diabetes, and critical care management. He has lifetime memberships in the Association of Physicians of India, API, at the state and national level. During his professional service, he has guided the thesis work of 20 PG students, which were presented at state and national level journals. Today, we are proud to have such a great illuminary and a man of great repute amidst us. So now may I take the pleasure of inviting our esteemed chief speaker of the day to present his talk. So please. So now we are over to Gagan sir.
Am I visual?
Yes, sir, you are
Sir,
both
yes,
audible
sir.
and visible. Both
Yes,
audible
sir.
and visible.
Both, sir.
Okay, thank you. Slide is visible?
हाँ सर ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି sir.
Thank you, Madam Dr. Lina Lillian, for the introduction. Esteemed Principal, the Sri Ganeshwar Maji, Chief Guest, Dr. L.K. Tripathi, Guest of Honor, Madam Dr. Sonalata Patnaik, and staff and students of Niranjan Government Women's College. Good morning to all of you. I am grateful to Principal Sir for organizing the webinar for creating awareness regarding COVID-19. It gives me immense pleasure to be here amongst the intellectuals to talk about the present burning topic, that is COVID-19. Because the more you know, the less you stress. By profession, I am a physician and not a good orator. Hence, kindly bear with me. Now let us try to understand what is COVID-19 pandemic. It was first identified in Wuhan, that is in China, in the year December 2019. It is caused by coronavirus, also called as severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, or SARS-CoV-2. It causes the disease that is COVID-19, which has caused an outbreak in over 220 countries of the world. Here is a short video showing how coronavirus is transmitted.
Respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2. The disease spreads through small droplets of the virus.
Now, once corona enters into our body via nose or mouth and reaches the lungs, it gains entry into our cells by AC2 receptors. It's okay, you don't have to know much about the AC2 receptors. Its main work is to maintain the blood pressure in body. And this receptor is present all over the organs in our body, that is in the nasal mucosa, lungs, ileum, heart, eye, liver, bladder, kidney, pancreas, brain, prostate, placenta. So this means that once the virus enters to our body, it can affect any organs of the body. Still, it first affects lungs because from mouth to lungs, route is there very simple way. So it affects lungs. Now that we have understood how the coronavirus spreads, the question of the hour is how do we prevent it? So for the prevention, you can see in the picture, you have to maintain an interpersonal distance, not social distance. This interpersonal distance should be more than 2 meters. It was earlier in the first wave 1 meter. So now in the second wave, it is 2 meters. And to use mask, that is single mask in the first wave, now it is double mask. And we have to avoid gatherings. And if we are going to a place where gatherings are there, the room should be well ventilated or in the open space and with interpersonal distance and using the mask properly. And the second principle of to get away from the corona, it is to wash our hand properly. And anytime we are coming home from outside, we must wash our hand properly. And the virus remains in air for 3 hours, in the clothes for 48 hours, and in the plastic or metal materials for 7 days. So we should be cautious for that. And particularly when you are coming in the lift, touching the buttons or putting calling bell switch on. So after that, we should wash our hands properly or sanitize our hands. The sanitation nowadays is alcohol based and it almost kills the virus by 99 to 100%. Then we should be more cautious how to prevent in a great manner, that is to take the vaccine. Vaccine available in India, that is Covaxin and Covishield vaccine and Sputnik K. And we should have the norms, social norms, that is while coughing, we should cough to a tissue or our handkerchief, then we should dispose it properly in a covered bin. And if you are coughing suddenly, you should use your elbow to not to spread the virus. And the better is always to stay at home, not to go outside unnecessarily. We are all well versed with the current scenario worldwide, thanks to social media, which keeps us reporting a very grim scenario of high death rates, which is there. It is true and quite disheartening. But the recovery rate, they are not telling, it is also quite high. So we can see in this table, the total worldwide total cases are 17.3 crores, whereas the recovery rate is 16.9 crores and deaths 37.3 lakhs. But media mainly highlighting the deaths, not the recovery rate. So in India, we are having 2.89 crores cases and recover 2.72 crores. And death only 3.49 lakhs. In Odisha, it is 8.13 lakhs cases and recovered 7.39 lakhs and death is only 2,994. So our focus should be unpreparing ourselves than panicking. So we should not be panicked about this rate of death. What is COVID-19 second wave? India saw a decline of cases by the end of February 21. COVID restrictions were relaxed, life returning to normalcy. So sudden surge of infection with mutant strains of virus, that is Delta virus, DOC, that is virus of concern. This virus is more concerned because it spreads too rapidly and affects all age groups, starting from babies. So, and at the same time, the death rate is quite high. So we should be very cautious for that. In India, when it affected 4 lakh daily cases with all age groups, ill preparedness, lack of hospital beds, and dwindling medical supplies, that is medicine, oxygen, and beds. So, one of the British philosopher who told that those who don't remember the past are condemned to repeat it. Even after having suffered in the first wave, we have learned nothing absolutely. So here you can see how people are gathered or sitting together, but they have made their slippers and stones on queue for collecting ration or collecting even liquors. So they are forgetting the social norms. And here you can see how people have used their mask. Some people, they have not used mask. And some people, if they have used masks also, they have not used mask properly. They have not covered their nose, they have not covered their mouth. And they are putting it in different positions, and they have not prepared to use the mask in a proper way. From this, we learn from the history that we don't learn from history. So though we suffered and we know in the COVID first phase how to distance from the people, how to use masks, how to wash our hands, still then we are repeating the same mistake here in the second wave. And you see that is happening in the political gatherings, that is happening in the social gatherings, that is also happening in the religious rituals. And what is the COVID-19 symptoms? So the first symptom is always fever. Fever is found in more than 90% of cases. Fever with chill more than 99 degrees. So 99 degrees, you can take it granted that 100 or 101 is the fever. So 99 at morning or 100 at evening is not fever. And at the same time, with fever is the first symptom, and it is in 99% of cases. After that, cough, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, and body ache, muscle pain, and it may be having abdominal pain and diarrhea. At the same time, you may find loss of taste or smell sensation. The most common cause of delay in treatment is negligence and non-acceptance of the past decision on the part of patients. And that is, people think that this fever or running nose or headache might be flu or due to allergies. So you forget about this flu or allergies. Think anybody at this time suffering from fevers with chill, shortness of breath, or difficulty in breathing, fatigue, muscle, body aches, new loss of taste or smell, congestion in the runny nose, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Think it as COVID-19 and nothing else. So you prepare for the investigation and take the principles as guided by the government, so also by doctors. What are the symptoms you will find in the first wave and also in the second wave, or at present what we are finding? In the first wave is of fever, shortness of breath, dry cough, sore throat, loss of smell and taste, weakness, body ache, headache. At the same time, in the second wave, we got the same symptoms of first wave with older people affected more. And children are also getting positive. Even babies of 7 days reported in Odisha also positive. And we'll find abdominal pain, diarrhea, rashes, conjunctivitis, watering of eye, redness of eye, dry mouth, mental confusion, disorientation, discoloration of fingers and toes. Seek immediate medical care. When you will seek immediate medical care, that is trouble breathing, position pain or pressure in the chest, new confusion, inability to walk or stay awake, that is due to generalized body weakness or muscle weakness. Pale gray or blue colored skin, lips or nail beds, depending on skin tones. This may be due to decreased hemoglobin or causing cyanosis. Let us understand the natural course of COVID virus. What is the natural course? So the COVID virus once enters to our body, then we find some symptoms after 2 days, or it may go up to 14 days. That's why the incubation period is taken as 2 to 14 days, and earlier it was taken to quarantine the people for minimum 14 days. And we should know also, before after our exposure, before getting the symptoms, means day 1 or day 0. So we are infective also before the symptoms. So we should not think that our symptoms are not there, so we are not infective. So that's why while staying in home, we can infect our relatives or close ones. So these are got 3 stages, that is mild stage, moderate stage and severe stage, or mild disease, moderate disease and severe disease. The mild disease is only in the upper respiratory tract. So without shortness of breath or hypoxia. That is, we will have only sore throat, difficulties in eating or feeling the soreness of throat while drinking or eating. And at the same time, we may have fever or without fever. In the moderate disease, the disease passes from the mouth or throat to the respiratory tract. So any one of the respiratory symptoms like respiratory rate more than 24 per minute, at the same time breathlessness and saturation point of oxygen that is less than 94% in room air. You should think it as moderate disease. This moderate disease is divided into 2 parts. That is stage 2A, that is this is affecting mainly up to the respiratory bronchial divisions, not affecting the lungs. And the stage 2B, that is affecting the lungs, causing pneumonia. So any severe disease, we can think when the respiratory rate is more than 30 per minute and breathlessness and saturation point of oxygen less than 90% in room air. Here we must need admission, that is ICU care. But in moderate disease, that is, we can be treated at home, also at hospital in the ICU, if it is in the pulmonary stage. So how to investigate or how to know that we are suffering from coronavirus or COVID-2? So there is a test called rapid antigen test, RAT. It may be giving false negative reports. You may be suffering from the disease, but the report says negative. So the next step is to do RT-PCR, that is reverse transcriptase protein chain reaction. It is confirmatory and of gold standard. And if it is doubtful, we can go for the HRCT, that is after the advice of the doctor, never go for yourself. And HRCT will be more positive after 5 days So never do HRCT before 5 days of infection. So how we collect the samples for the RT-PCR test or RAT test? That is through nose or through mouth. We collect the sample from the oropharynx or nasopharynx. So behind the nose and behind the mouth. Now a special test is coming, that is Cobicel, which we can do at home. And this test is very easy and you can do at home. So collect the sample and send it to as per the advice and get the report. So what other investigations we can do for coronavirus? Complete blood count, liver function test, renal function test, D-dimer, which is important. If it is increased, we have to use blood thinners like enoxaparin or other drugs. Interleukin 6, it is increased in the cytokine storm and causes more symptoms. C-reactive protein, if it is more than 60 to 70%, we should think of we are going towards seriousness. Serum ferritin. So, what is the treatment protocol? The severity is divided as mild, moderate, or severe. So, mild cases, those who are having only cough, fever, sore throat, or minimal body ache, pain, or muscle weakness, they should be home isolated. Home isolation minimum for 10 days in the second phase, because we have in the incubation period and in the symptoms developed. So home isolation is minimum for 10 days. Ideally, you can do also up to 14 days. In moderate symptoms, like when the lungs are affected, it is better to be admitted in the ward, because we have to measure the oxygen saturation and we might get oxygen and drugs treatment. In severe cases, admit in the ICU, admission is required in the ICU. Also, it is mainly for ventilators to be used and oxygen supply. Next. So you can see here how the disease progresses. So here in early infection, that is viral phase, or increase in the viral strength by increased production of virus in the body, that is through your ACE2 receptors entering to the cell and producing more copies of virus by the ribosomes. This viral phase lasts 5 to 6 days. Then we go to pulmonary phase. Pulmonary phase, that is divided into two parts. So if the mild infection in the lungs, that will end and we will get cure. But in severity, the lungs affected more due to the cytokine storm. This cytokine storm, it occurs mainly during 6 to 10 days. So this is the most critical period where we have to be more cautious and we have to take the help of the doctors, or we will be admitted to the hospital for better management. And if it goes to the pulmonary pneumonia or any other multi-organ failure occurs due to cytokine affecting so many organs, it may cause myocardial infarction, it may cause brain stroke, it may cause intestinal infection. So we have to be admitted and better managed in hospital. So what we'll do? So we'll use antiviral drugs only after 5 to 6 days of the infection or contact, because during this period the viruses are increasing in number, so we should not give antivirals at this stage. But after 6 days, before reaching the moderate stage, we can use antivirals, and we can use for fever paracetamol or Perclov antitussive drugs and immune stimulation drugs. But it is not there. We can use only vitamin C, G, vitamin D. In the cytokine storm period, it is IL-6 increased, IL-2 increased, and host directed treatment is required, and we can give here steroid. But we should be very cautious not to use steroid in the first 6 days. If we will use steroid, it will increase the virus strength and decrease the body immunity. So never use steroid in the first phase. So steroids only to be used after or in second phase. And what is essential is the patient with mild disease, home isolation is the best policy. This home isolation, so while in the home isolation, arrange for someone to deliver meals and medicines. So you have to need a caretaker. Keep eatables and sanitary supply to last at least 14 days because you need to be isolated for 14 days. Keep all medical documents at one place so that you will not be worried to search for this while going to hospital. Keep mask, double mask, oximeter, thermometer. So this mask always you have to use while the caretaker coming to your room, or oximeter to know the pulse rate and saturation of oxygen. It should be always, see that it should be always more than 95%. If it is coming down, consult doctor. Thermometers to check the temperature, and temperature, if it is remaining more than 100 degrees, always consult the doctor. Your cutlery and electric kettle for the getting warm water, steamer to inhale, and you should have garbage bags through your waste materials. Home isolation guidelines. Stay home for 10 days after onset of symptoms and no fever for 3 days. It means suppose you have crossed 10 days of isolation, but you are still having fever, so continue to be isolated for more days. Adequate rest in a well-ventilated room. Always it is required to stay in a well-ventilated room. It is very difficult to find a well-ventilated room in a single house. If we are getting double-story rooms so that we can stay at the second story and we can stay with well ventilations. Otherwise, it is very difficult to stay in a close family in one place. So at the time of isolation, always monitor your temperature and your oxygen saturation and any new symptoms occurring. Living beside your cough or weakness or fever. Take medications prescribed by the doctors. The most important point is never don't self-medicate. Never self-medicate. Because it sometimes harms you more than curing you. Wear double masks around caretakers. If the caretaker is coming to your room, always you will be in the double mask. So when to start the medical support? If serious signs develop, means when you should know at what time you must consult a doctor or need medical support. That is difficulties in breathing, that is you are dyspneic or you are unable to take the breath. And at the same time, deep in oxygen saturation, less than 94%, and it is definitely, if it is less than 90%, you have to be admitted to the ICU. So persistent pressure or pain in chest. Sometimes like this virus causing brain lungs damage, it may damage also heart. So at that time you may suffer from heart stroke. So pressure in the chest or pain in the chest, you must consult doctor. If the fever is persistent despite medications, means you are taking paracetamol 6 hourly in the maximum dose 650 milligram 6 hourly, still then you are suffering from fever, always consult medical people. And if you are having difficult in arousal, means from bed if you are finding difficulties in arousing yourself, or you are finding mental confusion, or sleeping more time, or there is no sleepness, there is no sleep. So you must consult doctor, or you are to be admitted into the hospital. While waiting for the ambulance, practice awake proning. What is this awake proning? This awake proning is to sleep in prone position 30 minutes in each posture. Sleep over the abdomen, proning down. So, and you can keep your hands, legs extended like this in stage 1, that is for 30 minutes. In the second phase, you should sleep on the lateral side. In the third phase, you have to in the sitting posture as it is seen. Then again in the fourth phase in the right lateral side. Then again come to sleep over the abdomen in prone position. This all should be 30 minutes at least. It can be practiced 16 to 18 hours in a day. But it is, you have no time because you are becoming serious. So call for the ambulance and go to the hospital and take care under the physician. A caretaker must always put on double mask. If the caretaker coming to your room, he must use double mask because there is every chance to get infection from the patient. Use dedicated linens or utensils clean with regular soap and water. So you can change frequently, or utensils can be washed with soap and water. Maintain hand hygiene always, proper hand hygiene while removing mask, because the outside surface of the mask may contain the virus. So while removing the mask, so you should wash your hand after removing the mask and keep the mask in the sunshine, or you can throw this mask and use a second mask. It is always better to change the mask. So if you want to waste material disposal, you should dispose it in correct place and using your apron, mask, gloves to be disposed responsibly in closed bin. So always whenever you are wasting, you are going to change your linens or clothes which you don't want and masks to throw, so our gloves, always dispose in a closed bin. Never throw it outside. Have all the helpline numbers and doctor in contact in case patient needs admission. It is the job of the caretaker. He should have the numbers of the doctors, hospitals, and even the district headquarters or the collector and corona managing people. How to manage COVID-19 contacts? A person who is involved in any of the following from 2 days before, means before the symptom appears, and up to 14 days after the onset of symptoms in the patient. Face-to-face contact with patient within 1 meter distance more than 15 minutes. Staying in close environment with patients for any amount of time. So all these people, they should be in isolation. If people are traveling in proximity of patient, means a patient might either he might not be knowing, also in air traveling or bus traveling. So you should use proper mask, that is double mask. And if you are thinking exposed to COVID suspected individual, should monitor your health for 14 days from first day of the contact. If contacts develop symptoms, same home care guidelines to be followed. So what is COVID vaccine? Take your best shot against COVID. There are 3 vaccines available in India, that is Covishield and Covaxin and Sputnik V. This is the Russian made. Covaxin and Covishield in India available. So this dosage should be given at, as it is mentioned, Covishield 12 to 16 weeks, but we are giving after 28 days or after 1 month. Covaxin, it is same after 28 days, but it can be taken at 4 to 6 weeks interval. Sputnik V, that is, you can get the second dose at 28 days in interval. If you have recovered from COVID, wait 90 days for that. Means a patient who suffered from corona and came back from the hospital, if he wants to take the vaccine, he should wait minimum for 90 days to take his vaccine. Who are the ineligible persons who can't take vaccine at all? Those who are allergic to any component of the vaccine, those who are having bleeding disorders, or taking immunosuppressants like steroid, or those who are taking anti-cancer drugs, and those who are suffering from chronic diseases. So they should not take vaccine. So what are the side effects of COVID vaccine? So you may suffer from fever on the past 24 to 48 hours, may feel fatigue or weakness, headache, chills. And possible, and if you have also symptoms like at the injection site, you may have pain over the site, redness over the site, tenderness, and you may have these signs minimum for 7 days. So for minimum things, you may take only painkillers like only paracetamol. Nothing else is required, and it will vanish at its own. So when you think that possible onset of illness, that is when you get cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, running nose, change in smell and taste. So what is, we should be more concerned, because person might be getting cured from the corona and coming home. Then they suffer from post-COVID syndromes. So these patients have ongoing health problems. They grumble for minor things. So people experience more than 4 weeks after first being infected by virus. This is called as, after 4 weeks, this is post-COVID syndrome. They may suffer from mucormycosis. Mucormycosis is nothing but a black fungus or detail, generally present in the environment and soil, causes disease when immunity is critically low, and mainly seen in the diabetes patients and post-transplant patients and on cancer treatment. It is rare but serious complications of COVID-19. It starts in nose, may progress to eye and brain. So how to know that you are suffering from mucormycosis? So you can see the black coloration of skin in the mouth and black colored fluid coming out from nose, pain and loss of sensation, loosening of teeth. So all this, when you will find, you will suspect that you are suffering from mucormycosis. By the time it reaches eye, it can destroy your eye. So eye swelling or redness or double vision, it is the most warning signs. So from there, it is very easy to reach your brain also. So it is always to treat immediately. What you have to do: give history of diabetes to doctor always. Get sugar levels checked. Watch for early signs of liquor listed above. Maintain basic hygiene and cleanliness. Follow medical advice. Take complete course of treatment as suggested by doctor. And this is mainly you can get it when you are using the same mask repeatedly, because the inner side of the mask, when it is moist, it can develop mucormycosis. So you don't do like your self-medication, especially steroids. It is seen that mucormycosis is seen in people using steroids irrelevantly. So delay reporting symptoms of mucor means if you are finding black coloration, black crust, or bleeding from nose and eye is affected with running eye and red eye, so always immediately consult your doctor. Don't ignore the medical advice. Some people, after suffering from the COVID-19, they suffer from psychiatric illness. They may feel alone and they suffer from anxiety and depression. So how to cope with it? So always stay active and enjoy your activities. Stay connected with your friends and family while still practicing physical distancing. Physical distancing is a must. Find balance by staying informed but know when to take break from COVID-19 news and topics. Means this news and topics in the TV or radio, you must say, they are telling more negative points than the true points that we are recovering rate is more high. So be kind to yourself. This is a difficult time and you are doing your best to manage a challenging situation. Take care of your body by eating and sleeping well, exercising and meditating. Reach out for help, talk to your family members, friends, and seek professional supports. Self-medication. What is the result of self-medication? So never take, as this might be people are taking in the first phase, like your ivermectin, azithromycin, artemisinin, chloroquine, coronil, ashwagandha, gillory, multivitamins, vitamin C. All these are not effective in corona. This is just giving thinking to increase your immunity or cure some infection. But all these are not the drugs. Yet there is no drug found for corona. Yet we are investigating to get the drug to cure corona. So what complications you will find in corona? That is, if you do self-medication, what are the complications? You may find heart problems, allergic reactions, organ damage, underlying health conditions might be aggravated. Other problems related to taking wrong medicines or overdose. So never self-medicate at any cost. If there should be one takeaway from this webinar, then it is don't self-medicate. You might do more harm than good. Now I am giving some COVID helplines. People ask some questions, general queries like, if RT-PCR is negative and patient is symptomatic. So the basic principle now, if the patient is symptomatic, having fever, cough and think nothing but corona and start treatment of COVID-19. And at this time, you can do HRCT, that is after 5 days of the symptoms, to know the HRCT. And this you have to do as per the consultation. If the HRCT score is more than 5, you should think of corona. Do I need to wear mask if I am sitting alone? It is always yes. If you are in office or talking to any person, so you have to use double mask always. The disease is always spread from a person to person. Either you can spread the disease as a patient or anybody else can spread the disease as a patient. So you might not be knowing who is the patient. So it is always better to use the mask to avoid to get the infection. So the basic principle of vaccine is we have to take the same vaccine 2 doses, not different types of vaccine, first or second dose. So the question comes, some people may ask, which vaccine should I take? It is nothing that one vaccine is good or the other is bad. It is whichever vaccine is available in your city, take that vaccine immediately. If I follow all COVID appropriate behavior, do I still need vaccine? Vaccination is a must. So don't think that you are not suffering from COVID or you are not going to suffer from COVID in future. So vaccination is a must. So it is given mainly to get herd immunity to develop. All eligible members of society should be vaccinated to protect those who are not eligible, allergic or vaccine component. Children, people, this I have told earlier, so it is not to be mentioned again. So this basic principle is we have to develop herd immunity by getting more infection in numbers in the society or by getting vaccinated. So more the people are vaccinated, that will develop more herd immunity. Herd immunity, that is your community immunity. So it protects from disease. The main question is so many people are asking that when the corona will end. So it is not going to end unless until we follow the principles, that is the social vaccination. I have to tell the same principle. Social vaccination is 2 meter distance, interpersonal, and use double mask masking and your hand washing and sanitation. So COVID-19 is unlikely to disappear on its own. And effective treatment have no greatly reduced the chances of dying, but long-term effects are still a problem. Developing an effective vaccine is the end game. These are the COVID helpline numbers I have told earlier. So these I shall pass on to the moderator. People interested may collect it from the moderator. Thank you everyone for patient hearing. Stay healthy, stay safe. So, any question you may ask?
So we have a question answer round afterwards. Students definitely have the time to ask questions. We will do it after some time, sir, the question answer round.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable update and cautionary address. Your talk was really informative and helpful. I'm sure our students will definitely follow your guidelines and fight this pandemic with a joint effort. Thank you once again. There is a famous saying, a good teacher and monitor can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and install a love for learning. Today, we have such a great personality who is not only a good teacher, but also a good monitor who inspires hope. Dr. Vijay Kumar Mahanti, President of our college governing body. He worked as an associate professor in botany as well. So today, I would like to request Dr. Vijay Kumar Mahanti, sir, to please address us with his words of encouragement. So please.
Thank you, Dr. Lillian. But I think Dr. Behera has given an extensive talk about the COVID-19, and I don't think that I don't want to add anything. It is perfect, but I would like to request my student friends that the third wave of COVID-19 is going to affect the young ones below 18. So they need to, if the family have got the young children, they need to take care of them. That is only my message, and stay safe and stay safe from the COVID. And I'm thankful to Dr. Maji and you also for giving an opportunity to talk to you. It's very good that you have asked me to join you. Thank you very much, because we should give more time to the students because they will be having more doubts about the COVID-19. They want to get it clarified from Dr. Behera. It will be better. We should give them time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words of encouragement. Your brief speech has also really enthused us with energy. Now, I would like to request Dr. K. Om Narayan Rao, sir, Assistant Professor in Logic and Philosophy, to briefly present the synopsis of the talk of our Chief Speaker. So please.
Namaskar everybody, and thank you Dr. Lillian for inviting me to provide a synopsis to the talk of Dr. Behera. Actually, I would like to speak in Odia. It would be better to communicate with the students. Actually, मुझे start करीबी आरडी सारंग ठारू मेसेज हमको पहुंचीला मतलब it was a good message from RD sir. He said he talked of the SMS technique wherein he said social distancing is very important. Number one, number two, wearing double mask. Number three, sanitization is important. तापरे सार भी कहिले बहुत बड़ा भल कथाटी कहिले जे आमे bad news to fake news to wrong news to मतलब we should avoid all this because that is a serious cause of heart choke and many deaths have resulted because of that. Corona ru jete mari nahanti e jo out of fear, out of depression, out of anxiety, so some sort of heart choke ei sabu problems hei अनेक लोक उनकर death heichi. So we should be careful about the social media. We should be very much aware while forwarding the news also. The fake news को आजिकली forward करिबा भी बहुत monitor होची. That's why fake news को हमें केबे forward करिबा नाही एई समय रे because it is killing more people than saving people. So it's a good message from RG sir. And one more important thing that he has said is Corona has a very big ego. जेते पर्यंत ताको निमंत्रण आमे देई ना हो सेते पर्यंत से आमे निज घर को आसीबनी हम पाख को आसीबनी तेबे जेति के कोरोना रो दोष नाही ताठारु अधिक दोष यदि हमको कोरोना आसुची कारण आमे ही निजरो निजे ही कोरोना को निमंत्रण करूछु तेनु कोरोना रो दूर रहिबा को हेले आमे निजको कोरोना ठारु दूर रखिबा को पड़िबो. So that is the great message that we had from our RD sir. And even Swarnalata madam also said very important, gave a very important message. We need to, NSS coordinators need to make a chain to break the chain. ये जो कोरोना रो जो chain को भांगिवा पाइन आमे माने जो volunteers रोचु मला NSS रो जो volunteers रोचंती सेमानन को गुटे chain बनाया को पड़िबो जिमिति की कोरोना रो chain भांगिबो. So it's a great message, and for that say madam Dr. Linian was also saying that Trinity ESRO formula से देचंती you need to be सतर्कता सावधान रही सतर्कता. नंबर 2 सावधान रहिबा एवं ए डिजीज प्रति सचेतन हेबा. So this is how we can prevent ourselves from the disease. Now coming to Captain Dr. Gagan Bihari Behera sir, the speaker, who spoke so nicely starting from the origin. A virus ro origin to nahi pura present scenario को नहीं से पूरा entire चर्चा करिसंती से कहिसंती ये जो कोरोना वायरस को हमें पैंडेमिक बोली कोन पई कहूछु. Why we call this as a pandemic? Because यार geographical extension बहुत बड़ा 220 countries को affect करि सारलानी. So it's a pandemic because it has affected the entire globe और geographical spread बहुत अछि. That's why याकू ते pandemic रूपरे घोषणा करा जायछि. सर कहिले सर मध्ये कहचंती मतलब डबल मास्किंग विषय रे तापरे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग विषय रे तापरे बड़ा कथाटी सर कहचंती we should avoid gathering, we should be we should try to if you are going out look for an open space, don't go into the gathering and don't go outside unnecessarily. So this is a great message sir has said. And सबुठो बड़ा कथा सर गोटे मेसेज देले जॉर्ज सांतायाना अंकर जो जेकी गोटे pragmatic philosopher तांकर जो quotation ना सार देले those who don't remember the past are condemned to repeat it in the present. जो माने फर्स्ट वेव रु किछि शिक्षा पाई नाहंती से माने डेफिनेटली सेकंड वेव रे अफेक्टेड हि दिबे. सो हमें फर्स्ट वेव रो जहा किछि फर्स्ट वेव हमको जहा किछि भी सिखाई जाईछि ताठो हमें सिखिबा को पड़िबो और सेकंड वेव रे हमको सतर्क रहिबा को पड़िबो और जहा किछि भी एक्सपीरियंस हमर प्रथम और सेकंड वेव रे आसुछि ताको नै हमें थर्ड वेव जदी आसीबो ताहले ताको कम्बैट करिबा को पड़िबो. सो जॉर्ज सांतायानांकर मेसेज को नै कोरोना सहित सार जोडिले एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड मेसेज. आउ सर जनरल फ्लू और एलर्जी ठारू कोविड-19 किपरि भिन्न से कहिले एवं मो सेटा को अगेन रिपीट करूनी किंतु सर गोटे भल कथाटी कहले जे नुवा सिम्पटम्स कोविड-19 रो नुवा सिम्पटम्स हमें देखुछु जोटा कि ड्राई माउथ हेबा, रैशेस बॉडी रे डेवलप हेबा, कंजंक्टिविटीज ऑफ द आई, even mental fatigue, even mental problems भी आसे, even sometimes a sort of discoloration in the say fingers and all that also happens. So that's why sir recommended you should be very much careful about the symptoms. So corona को चिनिबा को हेले symptoms को observe देखिबा स्टार्ट हबो जोटा कि गुटे माइल्ड स्टेज हि पारे सेकंड स्टेज टा सेटा मॉडरेट हबो तापर वेरी सीवियर हे जीवो माइल्ड स्टेज टा हुए तो छोटिया फीवर टिके फीवर पीरियड आसी पारे एवं से स्टेज रे जाकी 4-5 दिन बा 5-6 दिन रही पारे से समय रे हमरो अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट को से इफेक्ट करिवो सो से समय रे हमरो सेते प्रॉब्लम होबनी सेटा होम आइसोलेशन रे हमें हुए तो सेही फेज को हमें मुकाबला करि परिबा किंतु मॉडरेट फेज एवं सीवियर फेज ता बहुत डेंजरस मॉडरेट फेज रे भी कोन हुए ऑक्सीजन लेवल टा 94% रु तळु को खसी जाए से समय रे गुटे सेंस ऑफ ब्रेथलेसनेस अनुभव हुए एवं से समय रे मेडिकेशन बहुत इंपोर्टेंट रिकमेंड करिसंती एवं सीवियर स्टेट रे हुए कोन ऑक्सीजन लेवल टे 90% रु आउरी तळ को खसी जाए हुए तो से समय रे इंटेंसिव केयर दरकार पड़िबो जण को आईसीयू को शिफ्ट करबा को पड़िबो सो जते बेले भी आमे किछि सिम्पटम्स पाउचू इनिशियल ट्रीटमेंट सार बहुत बारंबार कहिसंती डोंट सेल्फ मेडिकेट जहाँ किसी भी मेडिकेशन करिवार अछि hospitals are open at least even the government also hospitals are open you go there take their advice and take a medicine don't take any medicine out of say your say on little knowledge because that could be affecting some of your organ जहाँ की सार परवर्ती समय रे कहिले जे सेल्फ मेडिकेशन किमिति प्रॉब्लमेटिक कारण सेल्फ मेडिकेशन हुए तो किछि गुरुत्वपूर्ण ऑर्गन को मध्य डिस्टर्ब करि पारे डैमेज करि पारे तेनु हमें सेल्फ मेडिकेशन रु दूर रहिबा यदि इनिशियल सिम्पटम्स किछि अछि ताहाले किमिति मॉनिटर करबा ता विषय सार कहचंती परवर्ती यदि मॉडरेट लेवल को यदि हमें चली जाऊ ताहाले हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन इज अ मस्ट ओके एंड सीवियर स्टेज वी हैव टू बी इन इंटेंसिव केयर यूनिट किंतु प्रायर टू दैट केते इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमें करबा जे हमर वास्तव रे नॉर्मल फीवर हेची बा नॉर्मल फ्लू हेची सेटा किमिति जानिबा एटा कोरोना हेची कि नाही ताहाले सार मुख्यतः तीनटी टेस्ट रिकमेंड करिसंती किंतु फर्स्ट टेस्ट जहाँ को रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट कहउचंती सेतिरे किछि जणा पडनी प्राय लोकंकर नेगेटिव बाहरे सेतिरे किछि कंफर्मेटरी सेटा डाउटफुल तेनु सार रिकमेंड करूचंती यदि कोरोना टेस्ट करिवार अछि गो फॉर आरटी-पीसीआर टेस्ट व्हिच इज मोर ऑफ अ कंफर्मेटरी सॉर्ट तार वैलिडिटी तार इंपोर्टेंस ता बहुत होईची तार कंफर्मिटी ता बहुत हाई अछि सो गो फॉर आरटी-पीसीआर टेस्ट किंतु तापर कहउचंती सार एचआरसीटी टेस्ट चेस्ट एचआरसीटी चेस्ट जोटा कि सार कहउचंती सेटा दरकार नै सेटा डॉक्टर जदी फील करिवे ना ए टेस्ट दरकार ताहाले सेटा करि हबो सो ही हैज टॉक्ड अबाउट ऑल दोस एंड सार भी कहले जो वायरल फेज ता से कहले प्रथम 5-6 दिन रे वायरल फेज ता एवं सेही फेज ता जहां होम आइसोलेशन रे मैनेज हबो किंतु पल्मोनरी फेज रे जोटा कि माइल्ड इन्फेक्शन जोटा हबो सेटा भी जो एंड हे पारे किंतु सीवियर इन्फेक्शन जोटा हे पारे सेटा 6-10 दिन रही पारे और ताहा बहुत क्रिटिकल हे पारे तेनु परवर्ती सिस्टमैटिक फेज सिस्टमिक फेज को न जिबा पूर्वरु हमें हॉस्पिटल को जिबा को पड़िबो एवं एफआईआरस को किमिति हमें कंट्रोल रखिबा सेटा सार कहचंती मतलब सिचुएशन ता हम हाथ रे थिला पूर्वरु मतलब हमें हॉस्पिटल को पहुंचबा पड़िबो कोन आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हबो से समय रे हॉस्पिटल गले ना निजे क्योर हे परिबा ना डॉक्टर्स भी किछि करि परिबे because lot of time has been consumed तो सार सेही दिगरे हमको सतर्क करि दैचंती और कहचंती सार बहुत भलो भाबरे गुटे कहचंती जे आजिकली अनेक सोशल मीडिया रे कहा जाउची जे स्टेरॉइड्स जदि नै दिबा ताहाले कोरोना रो मुक्त होई दिबा सार पूरा वार्न करिसंती स्टेरॉइड्स केबे भी नेबा उचित नो स्पेशली फर्स्ट फेज रे ते बिल्कुल स्टेरॉइड्स नेबा उचित नो और सेटा अनेक प्रॉब्लम सेटा सृष्टि करे और सर हमें जदि होम आइसोलेशन रे रहउछु ताले अनेक गाइडलाइन दैचंती से गाइडलाइन मो रिपीट करूनी किंतु गुटे जेटा पॉइंट जोटा कि बहुत इंपोर्टेंट से समय रे जदि होम आइसोलेशन रे रहउछु हमें अधिक रु अधिक फ्लूइड्स नेबा को पड़िबो बारंबार टेंपरेचर मॉनिटर रेट रे जेमिति हमें थर्मोमीटर समस्त घरे रखुछु सेही परि ऑक्सीमीटर समस्त घरे रखिबा को पड़िबो ऑक्सीजन लेवल टी मापुथबा को पड़िबो टाइमली एंड डॉक्टर को सहित फैमिली सहित इंटरेक्शन रखिबा को पड़िबो मनटा को ठंडा रखिबा को पड़िबो कोन पई टेंशन रे मध्य मतलब डिजीज रा और एग्रावेट हबो हमको प्रॉब्लम रे औरी पकै दबो औरी कंफ्यूजन रे पकै दबो सार पूर्वरु को कहउथिले हमरो आदि सार पूर्वरु कहचंती अनेक लोग एंजाइटी फियर डिप्रेशन रे मरि जाउचंती हार्ट चोक हे जाउची एनो से समय रे मनटा को बहुत धीर रखिबा को पड़िबो फैमिली फ्रेंड समस्तंकर सपोर्ट नबा को पड़िबो एवं मेडिकल डोर केबे नॉक करिबा जे सपोज किछि इनिशियल स्टेजेस ऑफ ब्रीथिंग रे किछि प्रॉब्लम होउची ऑक्सीजन लेवल 94% रु तळ को खसी जाईची पेन चेस्ट टिके पेन जंत्रणा अनुभव होउची फीवर ता जाउनी ऑर्डिनरी पैरासिटामोल नेले मते फीवर जाउनी के एंटीबायोटिक्स दिन दिन निया गेची ताहाले भी किछि होनी पूरा सॉर्ट ऑफ मेंटल कंफ्यूजन आछी ताहाले से यू शुड इमीडिएटली गो टू द डॉक्टर सो सर या सब कहि कि मध्य कहछन आजि कर जो प्रॉब्लम रहिछि जे ऑक्सीजन लेवल मैनेजमेंट पई नेचुरल वे रे नेचुरल ऑक्सीजन केमिति हमें पाई परिबा से दिगरे सर बहुत किछि कथा कहछन्ती जे हमें सोइबा समय रे अनेक छोटी सातरे पोस्ट सर देछन्ती जोटा कि हमको इंपोर्टेंटली मार्क करबा पड़िबो सेही पोजेस रे जेमिति कि लंग्स हमर अधिक रु अधिक ऑक्सीजन नै परिबो एवं हमर एंटायर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक को क्लीन रखि परिबो सो सर भी सही सही नेचुरल प्रोसेस रे किमिति हम ऑक्सीजन लेवल को बढ़ाई परिबा ता दिगरे भी से कहछन्ती आ से बहुत भलो कथाटी कहछन्ती ए होम आइसोलेशन रे रहिले मध्य 12 टू 14 दिन बहुत सतर्कता सहित रहिबा उचित एवं जेते पर्यंत ज्वर छाड़ी 3 दिन होनी साधारण मतलब जनरली का सते बेसी बारी ज्वर छाड़ी जाईची ओके किंतु ज्वर छाड़ीबार 3-4 दिन पर्यंत भी आइसोलेशन रे रहिबा को पड़िबो ताहाले हम भाबिया बेस से कोरोना रु संपूर्ण भाव रे हुई तो मुक्त हेइचंती तबे से कहउचंती होम आइसोलेशन रे जेतेबेले रहउचंती हुई तो तांको सहित जहां भी परिवार लोक थांती केयरटेकर्स रहंती तांकर भी इन्फेक्शन हुई तो हेइ जाई पारे तेणु सार तांको पई भी गुटे निर्दिष्ट गाइडलाइन दैछंती मु ताकू रिपीट करूनी से माने मध्य सतर्क रहिबे मास्क पिंदिबे आ किमिति से जे भी होम आइसोलेशन रखछंती ताकू फूड मेडिसिन आ जहा किछि भी सपोर्ट दरकार किमिति देबे ता दिगरे सार बहुत भलरे आलोचना हम सहित करिछंती जदि वैक्सीनेशन क्षेत्र रे आसीबा सार आजिरो जो तीनोटी वैक्सीन हम पाखरे अछि कोवैक्सीन कोविशील्ड एंड स्पुतनिक 5 जोटा कि सार ता विषय रे कहिले आ आजि सोशल मीडिया रे भी अनेक फेक न्यूज आसुची ए वैक्सीन भलो से वैक्सीन भलो नाही सार पूरा कहि देछंती से सब जिनसरु पूरा दूर रहिबा बहुत उचित जो वैक्सीन टी आपण पाखरे उपलब्ध होउची से वैक्सीन टी ही नेबा आवश्यक तेणु सोशल मीडिया सहित आमे किछि लिंक रखिबानी हमको सरकार जो वैक्सीन दउचंती हम शहर जो एक्शन मिलुची ताकू नै आमे से वैक्सीन आमे नेबा तापरे आजि एई जो कोरोना वायरस सहित ब्लैक फंगस व्हाइट फंगस येलो फंगस कोरी अनेक प्रॉब्लम्स आसिलानी स्पेशली सर ब्लैक फंगस विषय रे डिस्कस करिले सेथिरे मध्य कोरोना रे जिनकी सिम्पटम्स रहउची सेही परि टिके रहउची किंतु मेनली सेठी रहउची कोन अनेक ब्लैक जिंस होय तो स्किन टिके ब्लैक हे पारे पार्टी रे किछि ब्लैकनेस पर नाजल डिस्पोजल जो नाजल फ्लूइड रे टिके ब्लैकनेस किछि आसी पारे ए सब सिम्पटम्स सर कहिले एवं ए कोविड 19 जदि हेची बा हेई नाही सर कहउचंती जे अनेक लोक एंजाइटी रे रहउचंती डिप्रेशन रे रहउचंती तेणु से हमको कहउचंती जे ए समयटा लॉकडाउन अछि लॉकडाउन समय रे समस्त हमें घरे अछु कहले कोन एक्टिविटी नाही तो एक्टिविटी नथिले कोन एम्प्टी माइंड इज अ डेविल्स वर्क्स तेणु अनेक बेकार चिंता गुडी को आसी तेणु ए समयटी को से भलो दिगरे यूज करबा को कहउचंती जो जिंस हमें करि नथिलु समय पाउ नथिलु से सब काम करिबा हम निजो को एक्टिव रखिबा बिजी रखिबा हमें समस्त सहित मतलब अनेक लोक सहित हम सोशल कांटेक्ट नथिलु हम फोन रे तांसे जोगाजोग करी तांग सहित कथा ही परिबा पूरा रिलेशनशिप एस्टैब्लिश करि परिबा आउ सर कहले बी काइंड टू योरसेल्फ डोंट टॉर्चर योर बॉडी टेक केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी एंड ऑलवेज बी एट अ रीचिंग लेवल टू एवरीबॉडी मतलब हमें आइसोलेशन रे तो अछु किंतु रीचेबल लिमिट रे सदा बेले रहिबा जेमिति कि जेतेबेले भी प्रॉब्लम ता होची हमें नेटवर्क द्वारा मतलब जेमिति लोक हम पाखो को किमिति पहुंचे पारिबे ताहा जगु से कोरोना हेल्पलाइन नंबर्स की हमको देइचंती ऑनलाइन रे हमें कहि परिबा हमर समस्या टी कोन सो हमें जदि देखिबी हमें देखिबा सार को दिगो को छाड़ी नाहंती सब दिगो को से हाइलाइट करिसंती अति सुंदर भाव रे सार कहिसंती एवं वैक्सीनेशन को नै कि मध्य सार इवन हमर आदि सार भी कहउथिले अनेक जगह रे वैक्सीनेशन को नै जो फॉल्स न्यूज आजिकल स्टूडेंट्स मानको को कहे आजिकल स्टूडेंट्स एसएमएस वीडियोस जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से आसुची ता प्रति बहुत सतर्क रहिबे बिकॉज़ वेरी फेक न्यूज आसुची ए फेक न्यूज मैन को डिस्टर्ब बेसी करूची मैन रो हार्ट को कूल करूनी रादर मैन रो हार्ट को औरी एग्रावेट सारा सिचुएशन को एग्रावेट करूची मेंटल टेंशन दउची सो वी शुड बी केयरफुल अबाउट द फॉल्स थिंग्स वैक्सीनेशन के साथ कहचंती पूरा स्पष्ट भाव रे कहचंती vaccination is a must. किंतु जो माने कोविड-19 रू क्योर हेकी आछंती से तांको पय समय निर्धारित करिसंती एटलीस्ट 90 डेज गैप देबे यदि कोविड रू रिकवर हैला ताहले 90 डेज पर ही वैक्सीनेशन देबे सो हेड इम्यूनिटी कथा भी कहिले से ठीक अछि यदि वैक्सीनेशन सब होई जिवो with time but a sort of head immunity मध्य सोसाइटी रे ग्रो करि जिवो तेनु with time things will get normal आउ यदि वीडियो मान सारन कर यदि कथाटी को यदि निये जे आमे जहा किछि भी घटी गलानी we should be prepared for the third wave so taking the instructions taking into light what the speaker has said what RT sir has said what the NCC coordinator has said the district coordinator has said so taking all this into account we should be very much prepared for facing the present and also be very much prepared for facing the third wave. It is only then, only when we manage the second wave, we will be there to manage affairs in the third wave. So we should be very careful at the present. Now, with these words, I should congratulate the speaker for presenting the entire COVID structure in a so nice manner. It is really appreciable. Thanks a lot, sir. Niranjan Government Women's College remains highly obliged to you. Thank you for your contribution to our college. Thank you very much. Now over to Dr. Lina Lillian for carrying on the further course of action. Over to Dr. Lillian.
Thank you very much, sir, for your wonderful presentation of the synopsis, right from RD sir's message, NSS DPO madam's message, to our chief speaker's sir's entire talk. Your synopsis has really boosted our memories. Thank you once again. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Saroj Kumar Jena, HOD Department of Political Science, to moderate the question and answer session. So please.
Thank you, Lina Madam. Respected Principal and respected RD Sir, the guest of honor, Dr. Vijay Sir, and our guest Dr. Speaker Dr. Behera Sir, and all my all the fellow participants who are present here, my staffs and my students. It's indeed a great session in which Dr. Behera has cleared all your doubts, and what Dr. Behera has said, that was elaborately analyzed by Dr. Rao, and I think most of our doubts have been cleared. Still, it's a question answer session, and I would like to take some questions which are put forth. By one question, I would like to take that was Siddhant Swahi. He was asking what is coronavirus transtramite? What is coronavirus transtramite? Behera sir.
Thank you, Dr. Jena sir, and thank you, Rao sir, for kind words. And the question is, it is a spread or it is question is not clearly understood. What is the clear
Yes,
question?
Yes, I think I don't know what he want to know by telling transtramite. I don't know. Mr. Siddhant Swahi, can you please explain what is transtramite? Or you have read somewhere and you put it here?
Can you clarify the question more? The question, the person who asked the question, Siddhanta or somebody else?
No, actually it is a spelling mistake. He wants to
Transmit, I hope. I hope it is transmit.
Coronavirus transmission. It is a spelling mistake. Nothing at all. Coronavirus transmission. Again.
I think so.
Okay. Let's move to next question. It said that what are the side effects of COVID?
Last class. If you can attend, then you can come here.
Hello.
From our
Amit sir, can you please switch off your mic?
class में
Amit Digal, tikke.
Properly,
Amit
are you
Digal, can you
just study?
turn off your mic?
Commitment.
Hello.
I want commitment. I don't want कि नहीं हम देखेंगे, चेक करेंगे what will happen or not.
लीना मैडम अमित सर माइक बंद कर देइछंदु
आमिर दिगल बाबू टिके माइक टा बंद कर दियंतु आमिर दिगल टिके माइक बंद कर दियंतु
डेडिकेशन है, कमिटमेंट है.
आमिर दिगल
नहीं लीना मैडम म्यूट कर दियंतु तांको लीना मैडम म्यूट कर दियंतु तांको
ऑफिसर बनना है.
नहीं आमिर दिगल कंट्रोल करूछंती आमिर दिगल कंट्रोल करूछंती.
बहुत सारे ड्रीम्स भी सिखाए जाते हैं.
Okay, Dr. Jana, go ahead.
Okay. Sir, let me start with the question. One Mr. Shivashankar Patra, he was asking, what are the side effects of COVID vaccine? Is there any side effect of taking vaccine or not, sir?
The vaccine side effects are less than 1%. That is allergic. And it may not be also effective.
Commitment है.
But the side effects at the site of injection, it may cause swelling and redness
It should not
and
wait till the last.
pain remains for 7 days. But as such,
मेरे जितने भी
the
students
person may develop fever
हैं,
for
उनका इंटरव्यू लेके
48 hours
इंस्टीट्यूट में
and
ज्वाइन
nothing else.
Right. Out of 5, there are
Okay,
only
sir.
3
Thank you,
students.
sir. And another question, it was put that
Because they said they are
what immediate step can
Commitment
be
is
taken if a family member is found to be COVID positive, and if he is found suddenly critical, then what immediate step can be taken before rushing to the? I think it is before rushing to the hospital. Can he be given some home treatment, or he will be directly carried forward to hospital?
It is better always to go to the hospital because the management will be proper at hospital. But if the oxygen saturation coming less, so you can wait for the ambulance and do the prone positions as shown in the slide to get more oxygen in the body.
Okay,
So
sir.
notice that side change, slipping over abdomen, left lateral, right lateral, then sitting position. All this you have to do 30 minutes each time to get more oxygen because the back portion of the chest or lungs is not always used. So by proning position, so that can be used for oxygenation better.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you very much, sir. And another question was put by Subhangi Panda. She wants to know what is the exact oxygen saturation level before following which the corona patient becomes critical. Exact saturation level.
It is less than 90%.
Less than 90%.
90%.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But it should
Okay.
be cautious when it is coming down below 94. And always we want it should be more than 95. And our body oxygen saturation is up to 99%.
Okay, sir. Another question. See, once Ms. Panda says, what is the initial treatment after knowing COVID patient? Home
So
treatment.
if it is mild stage, it is only symptomatic treatment. For fever, antibiotics, for cough, antitussives, and you can give some vitamins which are told to be as immune boosters, but really they are not. But we are taking that we can take. And
Okay.
at the same time, always contact your doctor.
Okay, sir. Sir, another question that one said, which is better, Covishield or Covaxin? There is a doubt about the two.
There is nothing like this. All vaccines are good. So all vaccines will give more than 70% to 95% immunity. So you take any vaccine available.
Sir. One Sivani Subudhi, she wants to know, would it be possible to achieve immunity without vaccine?
Not at all. That body immunity is there. Everybody has having the body immunity, but not against the COVID. So we have to
Okay.
develop through vaccine or through infection. So immunity can be developed in these two ways. Once you got the disease COVID, you can get immunity, or else if you get vaccine. Otherwise, you can't have any immunity against coronavirus.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. And another, Subhangi Panda wants to know how to reduce COVID vaccine cases. I think it is, Sir has already elaborately discussed the thing by following the SMS rule, sanitization, mask and social distance. I think we can reduce the COVID vaccine cases. And another question, it has
That is not the principle to reduce the COVID vaccine cases. It is to get the reduction in COVID cases. Because
COVID cases.
So this we are telling us social vaccination. One vaccine is for the vaccination and this is a social vaccination. It means always keep 2 meters distance interpersonal and always use double mask and always sanitize your hand. Because hand is the part which take you to the inpatient reaching nose or reaching to the mouth or reaching to your eyes. So never use your hand unwashed after coming from outside in your mouth or nose or eye. So these are the sites from where the virus can enter to the body and it is very easily enter to the through nose or mouth. That's why the nearest part is affected is lungs. If your eye is affected or nose is affected or above your nose affected, it need not be, it may go mild unless until it affects the brain as brain stroke and in the heart as heart stroke. It may also cause intestinal stroke also, that is due to less oxygen supply by blotting or clotting. So for this to prevent, we use blood thinners. So it is not always to use blood thinners without doctor's advice.
So thank you, sir. Another question. One says, Sulochana Patnaik, he wants to know, can you prevent the third wave of corona?
It is not possible unless until we prevent the second stage. If second stage we can control, we may not go to the third stage. So the disease is of first stage is older people. The disease of second stage is your all ages of people, starting from babies to old age. And before controlling the second phase, we should not think, because it is a high thinking or apprehension that we may go to third phase. Because second phase is not yet over. But people are telling or others telling the third phase may affect young girls below 14 or 15 children. Even then, now vaccines are prepared in the America, which vaccine can be used after 2 years so that this vaccine can be given to the babies.
Okay, sir, thank you. And another question, Mr. Priyabrata Sahu, he wants to know what will happen if one delays in taking the second dose of vaccine.
So for vaccination, we need 2 doses to get complete immunity. The second dose is a must if you are not getting, because sometimes we advise those persons who are allergic in the first stage should not take the second dose. But he should maintain the social vaccination policy, that is 2 meter distance, using double mask and hand washing properly. He should not go outside without mask. He should not mix with other people without knowing that whether they are sick or they are healthy. He should not go to the gatherings. He should not attend any functions. That should be the prevention policy.
Sir, another question that comes to my mind, that the waste disposal. I mean to say the COVID PPE kit and some other things. They are spread here and there. In most of the time, the TVs are showing the reports that how to dispose this COVID waste.
This waste should be disposed by burning it incinerator. So we are not doing that properly. That's the problem. That's why it is thrown here and there. So there is in every hospital biological waste management. So this should be incinerated or burnt completely. And if it is kept in home, it should be under a covered bin, never open bin. So that from there also infection can spread.
Yes.
Anything else?
Another thing, sir. Sir, another thing, sir. First of all, when the doses came, there was the initial difference is 28 days. Means first, after taking the 28 days of first day's dose, one can take the second dose. Next, it was increased to 42 days. Now it is increased to 84 days. Is there any politics there or something? I mean, due to shortage of vaccine or something else?
It is due to the research effect, and at the same time, we are having shortage of vaccine. So we are delaying it, so it can be effective up to 84 days. Second dose can be taken, but ideally it is in 24 to 42 days.
Ideally, it's 24 to
28 to 42 days. But it can be
28 to 42. Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, another question. This is put forth by Supriya Das madam. She wants to know that as it is said that the third phase, kids will be more affected. So, what preventive we should take for our kids? Is there any medicine or else to increase kids' immunity system?
Yet there is no medicine for the coronavirus disease 2. So there is no medicine. And the best principle is that is your social vaccination. That is interpersonal distance, using double mask, not allowing children to go outside to play with others, and also always having the hand washing. So these three, that is the social vaccination, interpersonal distance more than 2 meters, always maintain, always wash your hands while coming from outside or use sanitizations, and the double mask. That double mask, so double mask will prevent more. So even the children, if they will go out, they have to use also mask, or inside home, if anybody suffers, so they should use, as children also use the mask. They should be trained to use mask. This is the only thing. One thing is that the disease spreads from man to man or patient to a host. So if we prevent that chain from patient to the host, so there will be no spread of the disease. So it is best principle always this social vaccination, or else all to take vaccine. And there is the vaccine for children above 2 years is coming. That is already started in America. It may come to the India also. We are trying for that. So all will be vaccinated. The basic principle, if we all will be vaccinated, there will be no disease.
Sir, is there any immunity booster dose for children? Immunity booster?
There is no booster, but we can give booster doses in some vaccines. Means after 2 doses, we can give also third dose at certain intervals. But there is no immunity booster for anything, no drug, nothing. It is only to take healthy foods, and children may run or do some exercise, even adults also some exercise. Or if those
Madam,
are
namaskar.
having disease, they may have breathing exercise. The basic principle of breathing exercise is take 30 seconds for inhalation, take 40 seconds to hold the breath, then take 50 seconds to exhale. This is one type of breathing exercise, or we can do this pranayama or the breathings. So this is simple, 30 minutes to inhale, 40 minutes to hold the breath, and 50 seconds to exhale. So this is a 2-minute exercise.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sir, another question, Ms. Bharati Pradhan wants to know. She wants to know that a medicine works differently in different bodies. She says that I think this must apply to COVID vaccine, by which some may suffer by taking vaccine. Is she right? That how to solve the problem? Means vaccine is sometimes vaccine is acting in contrary to some bodies. How to prevent that?
Now see, in 99% vaccine is working. Less than 1% people are getting this side effects of the vaccine, like local tenderness, pain, warmth, fever. So this is an allergic manifestations. Others, there is nothing. All can take all types of vaccines available. And vaccine will not cause any disease, COVID.
Right. And sometimes people get died because of shock, negative news.
That is separate. Because they may got heart attack.
Right, sir.
So they,
Sir, another question I'm taking from Nikita Bisway. She wants to know that if she is at risk, if she have been around animals.
yes. So there is no proven case from animals to human being COVID cases. So animals are secondary, intermediate most. So we have not received any case that from animals, men are getting COVID. Need not be worried. But from men, animals can be also infected.
Sir, Ms. Sangeeta Pradhan wants to know, can COVID-19 be transmitted through food?
It is not through food. It is because a person having COVID-2 disease, and if both are the persons taking food from the same plate, they might be infected. It is because from the hand, the COVID virus may enter to the food material or to the tongue, then from tongue it is to the lungs. Unless until a patient is there, there is no question of COVID to be transmitted through food. Means two persons taking food from the same plate. So there it can be possible, it may be possible. Otherwise, it's very, very rare case.
Sir, Prabhati Panigrai wants to know how to stay safe in home, either by wearing mask in home or not.
Unless until you suffered or anybody suffering from the disease inside home, nobody to use mask. But if you are using, it's nothing like it.
Okay, sir. Sir, I would like to take the last question. It was put by Amir Digar. He wants to know if somebody has a medical history of dialysis, can he take vaccine?
So it is not studied, so it is better not to take because he is in a serious case, having dialysis. Kidney is not functioning at all. One organ is failed.
Sir. And Bharat Pradhan want to know if somebody suffers from allergy, whether she should be vaccinated or not.
Yes, he can be or she can be. Because
allergy,
otherwise, really she is allergy to some components of the vaccine. If it is not there, then she can take. As allergies are due to so many causes. So this vaccine may not cause allergy. So if allergic not to the components of the vaccine, then she can take.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
At this phase, they can take anti-allergic medicines also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. This is what you have elaborately told in your presentation, and the students' doubt have already been cleared. Thank you very much, sir. Now over to Lena, madam.
One thing I want to say that is,
sir.
Persons should not take they have taken vaccine and they are immune to the disease from the first day of taking vaccine. It is not. So vaccine takes minimum 14 days to develop immunity. So anybody having contact with a diseased person before this 14 days or prior to that, they may suffer from the disease. So people are telling sometimes he has taken 2 doses of vaccine, how he suffered. This is because of this one. Because vaccine takes minimum 14 days to develop immunity. And it takes again 42 or 84 days to develop complete immunity. Suppose by taking today, he may develop 10% or 20%, 30% immunity. It is not sufficient to take over the viruses if it is in plenty. So a person taking vaccine, he should not take for it granted that he is immune to the corona from the day one of the vaccination.
Sir.
This happened in so many cases of doctors. They have taken
Sir.
vaccine but died also. They should not. But after this 42 or 84 days, this vaccine may protect for 6 to 8 months. So the question comes now whether we will take booster dose or not. That is not yet finalized. After these 2 doses, because this vaccine, as it protects minimum 6 to 8 months, so definitely we need booster dose. Okay.
Sir, I have a question. I have a doubt actually. It's not a doubt actually. Actually, recently there was a surge of provocations between Ramdev and the IMA.
Yes. Yes.
Ramdev is blaming the allopathic treatment while allopathic doctors are blaming him. But sir, Ramdev has developed the coronil kit. Is it effective? Is it
Not
effective?
at all. Not at all. And you see, it is not proven scientifically. WHO denies it. Also, our IMA. Well, it is not a proven, but it is not tried over the people. And not a complete paper is published that is tried over so many people and so many people are cured. If it is the fact, then why 80 to 100% people are affected in the factory of Ramdev?
Sir.
Probably is not. The only thing he is saying of job or breathing exercise, it is helpful to some extent to increase immunity. And there is nothing called as immune boosting drugs or powders. But nowadays, so many things are marketed in our area, all over the India. If you take this powder, you'll get immunity. If you take this vitamin, you'll get immunity. Nothing such. Nothing proved yet.
Sir,
We are taking it with a good faith so that we can remain good, in good health. But nothing proved. Even the drugs yet not found which can cure the corona. So except the vaccine, nothing else. Except the social vaccination, nothing else. These 2 things we should avoid by. Then only we can keep the corona away from us. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. The question and answer session is over. Thank you for igniting the students very much. Now over to Dr. Leena madam for the next